I'm William Grantham with IchimokuWeather.com with the stock market weather report for gold, February 15th, 2021. This is the GLD ETF. It is the Spider Gold Trust, part of the State Street Global Advisors ETFs, and it denotes a share of gold bullion. Unlike many ETFs that represent ownership in a basket of stocks, Spider Gold shares are designed to initially track the price of 1/10 of an ounce of gold. We use our weekly chart to determine our season, and being inside a green cloud means that it is fall. We do have snow, winds, and mixed temperatures. On the daily, we are below the cloud as well as being below the red line, but above the blue line. Price is like a hot air balloon, with the buyers turning up, the heat making the balloon go up, and sellers turning down, the heat making the balloon go down. The blue line is our wind line, and the red line is our jet stream. The black line coming into play here is our 200-period simple moving average, and it's our chase truck always trying to catch up to the hot air balloon of market price. So we are in fall. We do have snow, winds, and mixed temperatures, and we are below the clouds and jet stream, but have the winds beneath us. The chart does start off trying to get up above the cloud, but is unsuccessfully before gapping down on above average volume below the cloud, the winds, and the jet stream, and stalling for a little bit until falling underneath the wind line, being pushed down all the way below the 200-period simple moving average. We do have a doji of indecision as the market turns around, and the bulls are able to get control of the hot air balloon, bringing it up above the wind line and up high enough to make the wind line cross above the jet stream, and that is bullish. It goes into a little bit consolidation pattern, and then through a thin cloud, market action is able to get above the cloud, and then we have another doji of indecision, this time allowing the bears to get control, bringing it down to the support of the wind line, and then on above average volume, driving it through the cloud to find support at the 200-period simple moving average, where it finds support again, and again. And then it falls underneath, and then it's resistance at the top. And then it goes into a consolidation area where it's trying to get above the cloud, is unsuccessful before falling down and gapping to the new low of the year. And then the bulls get control again for just a little bit, driving it up above the wind line. And then it goes into a consolidation zone where we find ourselves today, slipping down above the wind line. We are in a bearish channel with the jet stream being above the wind line. Looking at our lagging green line, it is momentum for us, and right now is below all market action and the other lines, and that is giving the bears momentum to the downside. Our forecast shows a thinning green cloud that then twists over into red, and now we have a red cloud that is getting thicker. Now this flat line on the top of the red cloud is the same line that's on the bottom of the green cloud, and that's a moving midpoint calculation. It's looking back 52 periods and taking the highest high and the lowest low and dividing by 2, and then projecting this line 26 periods into the future. When this line is flat, that means that we have not had a new higher high or lower low in 52 periods. So that does show that we're in a bit of a consolidation area, and that is our mean line. Being below it is bearish. If we can get above it, it will be bullish. But right now we are in a bearish situation. This is your stock market weather report for the ETF GLD Gold on February 15th, 2021. We are in fall. We do have snow, winds, and mixed temperatures. And Jake just brought us snow cones made from the snow outside the studios. Thank you, Jake. I'm William Grantham with IchimokuWeather.com.